Welcome back to another video. Today my trusty friend Mark is going to give you a demonstration on how we use a knee kicker when stretching a carpet in a room. I do apologise for the shaking of the camera. And he's using his bolster to tuck the carpet down. And now he's just cutting away the excess carpet. It's quite an easy tool to use once you get the hang of it. And of course, good knee pads are essential. Now he's cutting off the excess carpet, because as you stretch the carpet, you will get excess carpet coming up the wall. And if it's too long, it won't tuck down behind the gripper neatly. If you look carefully, you can see the carpet stretching as he hits the knee kicker. He's using his bolster to scrub it down to make sure it's well secure on the gripper. And the knife you see Mark using is a hook knife. I will put a picture up of the hook knife towards the end. There you go, we're just about done with this one. If you like these type of videos, please check out my other videos. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.